Hello, I'm going to show you how to change the lock on the sliding door bottle cooler. This one's broken there, as you can see, and this is the new lock with key. So it's easy enough to do. What we're going to do is lift the door off. It's on a runner at the top there. Lift the door off. It's on a cable up to a roller. And we're just going to get access from behind for the lock. So we just turn the door around, stand it up like that. You see the screwdriver, some fittings. I'll get a torch so you can see it clearer. The lock's in there, and it goes through the outside of the door there. So they're easy to get out. There's a little clip at the bottom, little circlip. So we're just going to take that clip out. I'll put my torch on so I can see. I'll slide it down with a screwdriver. We'll slide this clip down initially. Push that piece of foam down there. Can you see the bit of foam? It's disappeared now. That's to stop anything falling down the inside of the door. We've got the little clip there now, so there, it slides off, the clip comes down, which allows the lock to come out. See, it's broken. It's broken, the full lock's broken, and we're left with a little circlip. That circlip there, all it does, it goes on the new lock and it slides on to the ridge there and the ridge that side. So all it's going to do is you're going to put the lock in, we're just going to slide it up like that, and then the piece of foam underneath stops that from falling down. So what we'll do, make sure it's upright like that. Feed the lock in, so easy, just put the lock in there, and then the tricky bit is to slide that up the inside in reverse to what we've just done. So I'm just going to put it in there, slide that down, you might need someone just to help you move that clip up. I'm just going to use a pair of pliers just to do that, just so I can hold it back. There you go. It slides up. Push it up firm like that, so it locks now in, and the circlip's pushed up to there. That's it. And then what I'll do, I'll just pull that foam back up there, so the foam's just underneath the clip, so if it does move, it ain't going past that foam there. And then all we do, just turn the door back round again. Make sure the string's on the brass roller, because sometimes it does jump off, so it pulls backwards and forwards, and then the door just slides into the top with the string. So just slide it down like that and sit on the roller at the bottom, and there you go. So then that's it, and allow you to lock the door like that. So it's now locked. As easy as that. Changing a lock on a double door bottle cooler. Thank you very much.